Welcome back, my friends, to this week's Creative Art Collective. I hope you're all having a good day, and today I'm going to be creating Pink Lightning, some beautiful bright sheleeart bloom coasters using black and white cell activators. And if you're new here, I'm Taz from Taslima Art, and you can join my free private Facebook group to share your wonderful creations and be inspired by other fellow artists. It's called Acrylic Pouring and Mixed Media by Taslima Art. A heartfelt thank you goes out to all my current Patreon and channel members for supporting this channel. And let's get started on these coasters. Hi my friends, I'm just mixing up my paint. So I've got a couple of different colours here. I've got this gorgeous pink, and that's a magenta, that's Amsterdam magenta, and I also have a couple of other colours here. I've got this transparent Pebbio oriental violet, and I mixed some of this gorgeous colour art boysenberry in with that, and I'm just stirring that up, mixing it right into the paint before I add my pouring medium. I'm just going to tell you what my pouring medium is quickly. My pouring medium is going to be about 2 parts of Waitrol to 1 part paint, and that's the European version of Floetrol. And here we have the gorgeous Amsterdam primary yellow mixed in with a little bit of Colour Arts Isadora, which is just to give it that shimmer and bling that I'm really after, give it that little kick for my painting, for my bloom. And I'm going to mix that right up, and once it's mixed up I'll be putting in my pouring medium, around 2 parts of pouring medium to 1 part paint. And here I have this lovely mica paint from Arteza. It's a pearl pink tulip mica, so that's a pearl colour. It's semi-transparent, as you can see, as is the yellow, and the purple here, the violet, is transparent, and we've got a diner here as well. So this colour here is actually iridescent green blue from Pebbio, and that's that colour mixed up with my pouring medium already. So there's all my colours. I'm going to be mixing my cell activators up. I'll have 2 cell activators. One will be white with titanium white from Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol, and the other will be oxide black from Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol, both at 2.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. See you in a moment. I'm just going to put my Floetrol in now. Here we go. I'll scoot over to the yellow and do exactly the same. I'm really just eyeballing it at this point. Quite easy to see where you how much you poured in last time on the sieve. Once that's in, I'll move over to the Arteza colour, the pearl pink tulip, and I only sieve it to make sure there's no lumps in it later. I'm happy with that. Let's go to the last colour, and this is how I mix my other 2 paints up top as well. Okay, and that's a good amount, and then when that's done I'll be mixing it up, and I'm just going to mix that up very quickly. It's very vibrant and deep, and there it is, perfect consistency. I don't need to add anything to it. I could add a little bit of water to it if I wished, but I'm quite happy with this. I want them all to be relatively thick, so it's about a 3-second trace with my paints. And then I've got the yellow, yep, that's a little bit thick for my liking. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it, and then make sure it's the same consistency as my boysenberry. Much better, much better. And then finally my pearl colour, my pink tulip. And I will let these paints sit for a while as well, because I don't want to really use them straight away. I quite like this pearl tulip, but I think I might add a little bit of orange to it. That's a lovely colour, isn't it? I'm going to add a little bit of orange to it. And I'm going to add this iridescent orange yellow from Pebbio. There we go, that's enough. That back. And you can see that I've added a little dollop of that just to give it a slightly deeper colour. Yeah, I like that. It's less lighter than it was. I'm very happy with that. Perfect. Let's do it. So I'm going to start off and test this out. This is my little tile for ahead of a bigger one. We've got the turquoise. We've got the boysenberry. We've got a bit of black. We've got the magenta. And finally we've got the white cell activator. And I'm going to blow it down.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, maybe I'm just too slow. We should just leave together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. They're looking for someone like you.
Now I don't know about you guys, but I'm absolutely in love with this effect. Look at that pink lightning. So that magenta that was underneath the layers, it took on the tint of the Cell Activator and turned it that bright, vibrant, hot pink. And it's gorgeous. It almost looks neon, doesn't it? I'm so impressed with this. And I'm going to try again with the black Cell Activator in the next one. But with this you can see all those pockets of cells, the green, yellow, orange in between. Some of those are just so 3D. They're gorgeous. So it's time to take two, and I'm going to do it again, this time with a black cell activator, and see if there's anything different when this one comes out. I'm going to layer in exactly the same way, except I'm going to swap my black paint with white, and I'm going to put the black cell activator on top. So let's see how this one goes. Once again, I'm putting down my pillow paint, Valspar walls and ceiling, silk, and I'm popping any bubbles with my torch. I'm going to layer my paints in exactly the same way. And these lovely little coasters, they turn out gorgeous and they dry really, really well. You'll see the pictures at the end. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm going to put some music on for you.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. We can go anywhere you like and do anything you want, anything you want. 'Cause every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now. Oh, I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. Don't be sad, don't be lonely. Don't you know that I love you only? Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Don't shed a tear, don't hang your head and cry. For no, we can make it,
We can
make it if we try. Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Let's stick together, and you will see. baby. Let's go over. Just be mine, and I'll be yours forever. Forever, baby. Just be mine, I tell you. I'll be yours forever. Just be mine. Just be mine. Just be mine.
So my dear friends, here are the dry results. It dried really well, well, both of them did, and you can see the gorgeous edges there with all the different colours, the multicolours that I had in the layers, and a stunning white pink lightning cell lines. They both came out similar despite using black CA in one and white in the other. I love them both. Let me know what you think. So up after me as usual every Saturday is Kat's Fluid Art Creations. I'll see you over there. Bye for now.